Hey OhSo Fam, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to give you guys kind of like a 2-for-1 special. I'm going to be telling you about this hair as well as showing you guys how I got this natural kind of glowy makeup look. Today's one of those kind of days that's kind of like a gloomy day where you don't really feel like doing anything, but you want to do a little bit something to yourself to make yourself feel good or whatever. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned. So this video is sponsored by SAMSBEAUTY.com. I'm going to be showcasing this human hair unit that's by AliHairs. This brand is exclusive to Sam's Beauty. So I don't even know how this hair looks because I haven't opened the package yet. But the name of this particular style is their Instant Fab Side Part Lace Wig. And it's in Bohemian. And it's 16 inches and it's in the color 1B. When you open your packaging, this is how it will look inside. Oh, this should be fairly easy. Like, this would be a good beginner-friendly human hair unit. It's a lace part like this. I'm gonna tell you, you are very limited, and the parting space is tight. So we're gonna definitely need to tweeze it out. It doesn't have any combs, but it does have adjustable straps in the back. So applying this unit is fairly easy, and something that I really want to note is that this particular wig I feel requires some leave out, and since my hair was French braided underneath this wig, I didn't have the opportunity to have any leave out. So you see me attempting to wear it as is, but it was just giving me strong wiggy vibes. So what I went ahead and ended up doing was turning this wig into a half wig slash headband wig, and I actually prefer it that way anyways because the parting space is just not as realistic as I would like. But once again, you do have the option of pulling your natural hair out, and I feel like if your natural hair can blend in well with this, that could be a beautiful look. Okay, I can already tell you right now, this hair got me it got me a little irritated. I'm gonna go ahead and keep this look really affordable, and these lashes are from the Dollar Tree and they're really pretty. So I'm gonna pop these on off camera and I'll be right back. Soon as you tell me you want it, babe, you hit my line and I'm on the way. Cause you want my money, no question, babe. You do this shit with no question, babe. You in your bag and you flashing, babe. You do this shit with no effort, babe. Just hit me when you wanna leave, babe. I got everything you need, babe. Tipsy, you can toss the keys, babe. Sit back while we on the freeway. Got a nigga on his knees, babe. Got a nigga begging, please, babe. Knowing you don't wanna leave, babe. Got a nigga begging, please stay. Yeah. That's on God. That's on God. Girls gon' wild, girls gon' wild. All I see is you. Is you. So I'm gonna let you guys kind of vibe out and just see how I do my makeup look, and I'll be back at the end to give you guys my overall opinion about this unit. However, I wanted to let you know that if you guys are interested in any of the products that I'm using, I'll leave them down below in the order that I use them in my description box. And feel free to ask questions if you have any questions. Stay tuned.
Way out the matrix, I know these niggas is Satan. I ain't got time to be out here flogging, I ain't got time for no conversation. I'm trying to level up with my goals, I use this shit as confirmation. I take my squad all over the globe, then I tell my shorty to pick a location. We in Dubai, we got a suite in the sky. Promise I tell you no lies if you do the same. I keep it simple and plain, you the apple in my eye, no girl you my rib. I do whatever I can to get you the things you require. Unless we crash, I jump in my bed like I'm Yeezy, then I spit it through the wire. For all your desires, I'm going up. Tell me your secrets, I never repeat them. We smoke over rose that we pulling up. Expressing emotions that I never show enough, swear I don't know enough about this love for me to be cynical. You got me reaching my pinnacle. Shout out your ex, he took a L and I'm blessed. I bet you that bullet. We just keep rolling, 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 just as live as we want. My little red Corvette, I bet it's hard to keep up. My feet is up, my seat is back in the back of the back crew. Chauffeur in the front row, windows up, now we can get it. No, it ain't no cap, and if you love me, say you love me, baby. You hit my line and I'm gonna pull up in that drop top Mercedes, been the block. We can smoke and drink. I got what you need. I can put you in your bag. Just hit the gas, don't lose your speed, and baby. We keep rolling, 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 just as live as we want. My little red Corvette, I bet it's hard to keep up. My feet is up, my seat is back, in the back of the back cruise. I can get you open, I can get you new red bottoms, girl, I can get you Birkins. It ain't like you don't deserve them, baby, but I'd rather get you focused. We slide like poetry in motion. You help me read between the lines, taught me to live within the moment. Ooh, girl, you got me going. Just like that morning, the sauna got me working on my breathing. Put me on that pranayama shit they hate. The way you shine and plus your vibe and all your confidence. I read you like a clock, what makes you tick. I know what time it is, so if you got a minute, you with it, then I'm with it. I've been on you for too long and I've been in since the beginning. Ooh, press you like some linen till I figured you was in it too. Have faith, we do it biggie. Your feelings never meant to slow that drink. I roll a wood, then we can flow, 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 flow. Late nights down PCH and we just coast, 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 coast. You know the ropes. I've been out of focus like a little Ford, baby. You can come aboard. You know we coast, 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 coast. We just keep rolling, 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 just as live as we want. My little red Corvette, I bet it's hard to keep up. My feet is up, my seat is back, in the back of the back cruise. Chauffeur in the front row, windows up, now we can get it. Just pour that drink, I roll the wood, and we can flow, 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 flow. Late night down PCH and we just coast, 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 coast. Yeah, roll the wood, I pour some drink and we gon', you know. Okay, okay, bottles in the club, pocket full of huns, and you just broke 2 in the ones. Ayy, you and all your girls, you ain't out here looking for love. And I know niggas made you cry, but I know I can make you come. I ain't tryna be facetious, but you sweeter than Reese's. Got more class than all my teachers. Let me hit you with this thesis. I for you, you for me. We the new Osiris and Isis. Cop a private to Dubai, talking fly shit like a pilot, baby. Keep it real with yourself. Caught up in these feelings, I'ma keep it real with you. Girl, I know you good by yourself. Call them Mrs. Independent, you've been on a mission. That's how it feels when there's nothing left. And your love's gone, what's your heartbreak and your pride's up. Love Jones. No, it ain't no cap, cause I'm no captain, ooh. I pull up what's happening, got some yak, let's get this crackin'. Find out what you want that mattress do. Help you with your class, and maybe we can catch a.
So I'm gonna cap this look off with my favorite nude combo. Again, I'll have all the information to all the makeup products in my description box, as well as a direct link to Sam's Beauty in this unit. So I wanted to finish off my overall opinion about this wig. So I would say that this unit is definitely beginner friendly. If you're someone who likes a wig that you can throw on and go, then I definitely suggest this for you. And like I said, you can get a more natural look by pulling out some natural hair in the front. But I feel like this is the perfect wig for an everyday kind of vibe, especially for the occasion or the inspiration of this video, which is just pulling yourself together when you're really not feeling it. So please let me know how you feel about this hair, and also let me know how you feel about this makeup look. Would you like more get ready with me's and makeup tutorials? Because I've been getting some requests and I'm ready to add them back to my channel now. I didn't get a lot of shedding or anything with this wig. The density is probably like 130%. I wish it was a little bit fuller, but you see me fluffing it out right now. You can definitely make it more fuller. Yes, so shout out to Sam's Beauty for sponsoring this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.